Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to restore the Nokia 6500C. This phone I got as a gift from Sergio. He looked me up on Instagram and said he had a unique 6500S with a Russian software, if I'm correct. And well, thank you so much for it, and I'm going to refurbish it. And time to get in it. Well, I've left it on for some time and the battery died, but well, you're in a video here, you won't even notice when the phone is charged. So let's begin. I'll just pull it like this and it will fall off by itself, right? Right. Metal. Nice. Wait, almost forgot to take it out. I'm going to reuse this part. Oh, it has a this is risky, so I'll have to disassemble it first. I'm guessing that this is not the same thing. Oh, my mistake. I thought it was one and the same thing. Apparently it isn't. Seriously. Interesting spring type. So yeah, unscrew, don't take out the screws first. First take out the display, then the screws. I made a mistake. I thought the screws were holding the display, but they weren't. Careful not to damage these two things. Okay, it was sticked, typically. Let's take the display out to not damage it. Also, taking it out of its metal housing so I can straighten it up. Here's the display and the earpiece. There we go. The camera module with the micro USB, the loudspeaker which just disassembled itself in my hand. Yeah, he told me that it had the speaker problem, so I'll have to look for this kind of speaker, which is kind of the same like the N73, if I'm not mistaken. Interesting here, ribbon type and contact cable. Also sticked here. This has to be the vibrator. Now this cable usually is from a antenna. I'll have to somehow stick it. Here we have the main board with the, oh come on man, seriously? Well, unless I can take it safely like this, so I can avoid snapping the SIM pins. There we go. Oh, this is the main board, the whole brains of the operation. It's a pretty complex phone, like the 6700C, and I like it. There we go. So this is where the antenna is. All right. Okay, that just flew. But have no fear, I got it here. Wow, I just made a cringe rhyme. Please kill me. Okay, I'll have to fix this cable some way, somehow. Well, I can just... whatever. Something like that. So, I'll get to cleaning and to find another loudspeaker through my phones that I have here, and most importantly to fix this cable, which okay, it's like this, but I have to fix it here some way, somehow, and I'm going to do it. Well, I'll get to cleaning and be right back with you. Well, time to fix this broken cable. There we go. Clip it a bit, if I'm saying it correctly. Something like this. Waiting for a bit for this to warm up. So, how was your day? Okay, starting to... Oh, it has a bit on it. Good. Oh man, the smoke. Okay, perhaps I won't need an extra. Too bad I don't have that. Try my best not to mess this thing up. Come on. Okay. This is pretty good actually. Strong enough. Good. I'm happy with the results. Now I just have to isolate it. Okay, cold enough. It'll be fine inside the phone. I hope. Actually, I'm going to put it right now. There we go. Yeah, if I'll put it in the correct way, it should be good. Yeah. Great in place. Nice. Haha. Okay, good enough. I'm going to have to change this. Well, luckily I have this N95 that I've refurbished. Well, took only some parts that I needed, and here we have the speaker. There we go. Nice. Let's see what I can do. Yes. nailed it. And okay, there we go. There we go. What's wrong with you? Here. Okay. Man, these springs are really pushing. Oh, I'm pressing too hard on the display. Easy. There we have it. Now I'm going to keep the old keyboard cover, something like this. Well, of course, this actually happened because of this isolator, or how do you call it in English? Why is the cable like this here? That's why it gets damaged. It gets caught up in all this. Okay, good, covered enough. It's time to slide the front cover in. Gotta love this aluminium. Come on, bro. Also, let's check this out. Turn it off. Xperia. Nice. Russian. Camera appears to be working fine. Flash. Oh, the sound is awesome. Resolution. Camera sounds. Only one. Okay. Wait, back to it. Back to it. Interesting. It's a pretty interesting software version. Apps. Have games. Nice. Actually, let's check this out. Display, daytime, shortcut, connectivity. Nice. This is a pretty nice phone. Thank you again for it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more daily videos, and I'll see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day, just like the guy who gave me this phone. And like yourselves. Bye bye. To the showcase.